a lot of people on your site are adding to cart, but they're not initiating checkout, then what you can do is change your cart page format. Instead of having a cart page where when you click the add to cart button, it takes you to a separate page and loads that, use a cart drawer or cart pop-up. What that does is simply, if you use a cart drawer, for example, when somebody clicks the add to cart button, the page will move to the right and it will come out as it looks like a drawer, and the button to checkout will automatically be there. So that way there's no extra page that needs to load in order for your customer to check out. Decreases buyer friction, because buyer friction happens when there's so many steps involved to checking out, on top of many other things like how compelling your offer is and different things like that. By making it as easy as possible for your customers to check out and complete the purchase, it will decrease your abandoned carts, abandoned checkouts, and just overall it will increase your conversion rate. So I hope this video helps. Short one, but if you're having this trouble, or if you're having this problem, then this could hopefully fix it. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more ecom videos. Talk to you guys in the next one.